Hey, is your Bitwarden two-factor authentication not working? Yeah, like the code is wrong, expired, or just not accepted. Don't worry, I'll show you how to fix it step by step. All right, first, check your device time. Two-factor codes depend on accurate time, so even a small mismatch can break it. Make sure automatic time sync is enabled on your phone or computer. Next, open your authenticator app and wait for a new code. Yeah, these codes refresh every few seconds, so the old one might already be expired. If your code still isn't working, try using a backup code. Bitwarden gives you these when you enable two-factor. Okay, make sure you're using the correct authenticator linked to your Bitwarden account. If you reset your phone or deleted the app, the codes won't match anymore. If you still have access, go into Bitwarden settings and disable, then re-enable two-factor authentication. Yeah, scan the QR code again and set it up fresh. Also, network issues or VPNs can sometimes cause problems. So try turning off your VPN and reconnecting. And if you're completely locked out, you'll need to use recovery options or contact Bitwarden support. And yeah, that's it. One of these fixes should get your two-factor login working again. Just go step by step, and you'll be back in your vault in no time. All right, so Bitwarden Firefox extension not working?